Alright, Hudson, you gotta throw it for Beanie, okay? Hudson, you gonna throw it for Beanie? What is that? Here, give it to Mommy. Beanie doesn't want dirt. Ew. Silly. Hudson, what are you gonna do with that? Are you gonna throw it to Beanie? Throw it. Good job. Ooh, sorry, that was loud. Good job. Here we go again. Hi, Sierra. She's like, what's going on with these two? You want it back? Where is it? It's over there, actually. Beanie left it. Want me to get it for you? Yeah. Drop it, Beanie. Drop it. Don't throw it on the table, silly. Don't throw it on the table, silly.